I got that.
Storm chaser.
Whoa! Oh my god.
Yeah, watch us get struck by lightning or something. I'll get it. Holy crap.
Holy shit, dude.
Oh.
That was the closest lightning strike I've ever been to.
Dude, same here. That was
fucking amazing.
Yeah.
It is nuts. His head is gonna get hit right there.
I know.
One holding his camera in the air.
I saw you a couple days ago on 24, going up by Lookout, and you turned on low ray.
I haven't heard lightning like this, and I don't even remember like hearing lightning like this.
And I almost got next to you to wave at you, flag you down, but yeah, that's fine.
Crap.
I was over at Jules and hanging out with him guys, and you've been doing the Y stuff. And I said, that makes sense.
Green the sky. See that? Whenever you see a building or maybe a pole,
Oh my God,
it's not going to hit.
This is what it looks like after the storm. It's still lightning quite a bit over in these dark areas. Everything's moving that way. And it's clear over there. Some flashes of lightning behind it.